Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. It is January 19th. Hope you've had a great week so far as we head into what we're going to talk about today. It was a dismal day yesterday on Wall Street. We'll look at those results and more here in just a few minutes. It is Jobs Day, so we got those numbers coming out here in just a few minutes. Give us a call at 863-382-0037 to walk through our core retirement design, where we can help you design the retirement you always dreamed of. Having a goal means putting a plan in place. If you don't have a plan, it's just a wish. Give us a call, 863-382-0037. Well, folks, hey, here's the deal. We're not on the radio today, so I thought I'd still give you a little blurb today as we get started for the day, because it is hasn't been good, right? We started off the day yesterday in the negatives. We thought maybe we'd do okay, but not so much. It was actually a pretty bad day yesterday. We saw that all the indexes down substantially, with the S&P 500 down a little over 1.5%, down $62 to $3,929. The Dow Jones Industrials down 1.8%, probably the biggest loser of the day. Almost $614 down to 33,297, and then Nasdaq down 1.25, down $138 to $10,957. So everything definitely in the red yesterday, as we're seeing again the same thing kind of this morning. We continue to see the market retreating from this year-to-date numbers. They start off the year pretty hot, but yesterday down. Today looks like it's going to be another down day. And we did have things come out in terms of economic news. Jobless claims came out, really a barn burner. They beat expectations substantially. New claims down to 190,000, the fewest since September, compared to the 215,000 that was expected. And then home permits that came out. Building permits were down 1.4% from the prior month, and 1.6% from the prior month. Housing starts actually down 1.4% for the last month, and they revised November down to 1.8%. So not good news there either when we look at the housing starts. However, yesterday at 10, the home builders index actually went up 5 points from 4 points from 31 to 35. The expectation was 30. So not sure where that's actually coming from. And we do have a few earnings reports today. Want to go through those real quick. Discover Card, probably the biggest one. Discover Bank. They had earnings and revenues beat expectations across both of them. Pretty good quarter, actually. However, they did say that compared to the prior year, that they are having to significantly boost their losses, their credit losses. So they're making provisions for those losses, which is really signaling that they expect anyway a weaker economy ahead. And so Discover Card is actually trading down 7.75% after being down almost 3% yesterday. Then we've got one of the old line companies that used to be one of the first ones to report every quarter, and that's Alcoa, the aluminum manufacturer. They had a net loss for the most recent quarter. High cost of energy and raw materials has been a big factor for them, and the low price for aluminum has dragged down their earnings, and they are trading down 6% this morning after being down 2.5% yesterday. The last one that we have to talk about today is a staple, and that's Procter & Gamble. They had a mixed quarter. Basically, their earnings per share came in as expected, which if you come in as expected, you might as well have lost money because the markets don't like that. Revenue was slightly above expectations, and we see Procter & Gamble down almost 2% this morning after falling about 2.7% yesterday. Unfortunately, we are seeing a lot of red ink as we get ready to start the day off today. We've got the Dow Jones Industrial 30 down 0.75% this morning in the futures. We've got the S&P 500 down 0.75 as well as the NASDAQ 100 down 0.75. Russell 2000 is down 0.8%. So we're seeing a major retrenchment on the indexes. On the commodities side, we're seeing a huge drop in silver down 1.3%. It's yesterday's close was down below 24, again down to $23.32 an ounce. We are seeing gold trend up this morning about 0.3%, still over 1900. We are seeing a big drop in crude oil down 0.2% today, but way off its start yesterday. It's down to $79.60 a barrel compared to what the almost $82 a barrel we saw yesterday. So it is trending down right now. I'd like to see it stay that way. Hey, remember that when it comes to your retirement, if you don't have a plan, then your goals are just a wish. Give us a call. Let's walk through our core retirement design. 863-382-0037. That's 863-382-0037. Give us a call, 30-minute of our time, no cost, no obligation. Would love to chat with you to make sure you're heading the right direction for your retirement. Hey, with that, have a great day. Hopefully we'll be back on the radio tomorrow. Until then, have a good one.